Welcome guys to today's video where we are going to learn blockchain for beginners. My name is Pedro and I'm an expert in the online school MoneyFest, where we teach people how to start in the world of cryptocurrencies, how to start investing in cryptocurrencies, always easy and step by step. So welcome to today's video where we are going to be learning the basics of the basics, blockchain for beginners. Now, this is the only video you will ever need to understand crypto. From here, you will be able to start growing in this crypto path that is so exciting. Now, before starting, if you want to find out more videos like this in the future, remember to, subscribe so you can see all the videos we upload and give a like to the video if you enjoy it. Now, with all of that said, let's get started. Now, the first thing that you may be asking is, what is a cryptocurrency? Well, cryptocurrencies are something like digital gold that you can store in a digital wallet. Now, for this, I prefer to make you think about the past. In the past, we used to have gold and silver, and we used to bring them into the market and exchange them, right? To buy chicken, to buy meat, to buy whatever we needed. However, with the pass of time, we realized that was not that convenient. And that's why we started using bills, like 50 euro bill, $50 bill, 50 rand bill, all of these bills. They are much, weightless, they don't weigh much, and we can use them very easily to buy and to sell everything. But nowadays, we live in a digital world, we evolved, and we need money that is on the next level. And that's where cryptocurrency comes in. Cryptocurrency is the evolution of money. It's digital money. You cannot touch it. It's fully digital, but it's based on blockchain security, which is one of the first technologies in the world. That's what we're going to see today. So that's what cryptocurrency is. It's digital money, the money of the future. And now this is important. It's known as digital gold because it also protects you from inflation. In general, when the prices of food, for example, go up, the prices of cryptocurrencies, like for example, Bitcoin, will go up. So that's why cryptocurrency is so amazing, because it protects your money. Okay, that sounds amazing, but you were mentioning about a blockchain. What is a blockchain? Well, a lot of people get confused with the term, but blockchains are something very simple. You don't need to know the whole technicalities about them, but a blockchain is basically a chain of blocks, as its name says. Imagine that you have boxes, okay? And in each box you put a transaction. When we are sending money, normally the bank is making sure that those transactions are correct, that they are working. Well, in the case of the blockchain, there is no bank making sure that all the transactions are going well. It's a decentralized system. Everyone can check that all the transactions are fair and even. That's what a blockchain is. It's just an accounting record where all the transactions that we do, for example, me sending money to a guy called, Mario. If I send money to Mario, it will appear in the blockchain. This means that it's all transparent. Obviously, it's anonymous, so we don't know exactly which person is sending to who, but everything will be on the blockchain. It's a public ledger or a public record. So that's what a blockchain is, as simple as that. It's a system of accounting to make sure that everything is safe. And that's why, and the main reason, why blockchain is safe. Well, the blockchain is the safest way to keep your money because it's completely transparent. You don't depend on a bank, you don't depend on a government. Everything is public. You can go into the blockchain and you can check your transactions. You can check that you send money here, that you receive money from there. All of these things can be checked. And that's what gives the power to blockchain and to crypto. That's why they are so popular. That's why Bitcoin keeps going higher and higher and higher, because of the value they have. It's like if you would own now your own bank, if you would be part of this global conglomerate that controls all transactions. And at the same time, it gives you this transparency. Nobody ever before gave you this. If you go to the bank and you ask them for your transactions, they will give you your transactions, but you depend on them. And if you ask them for any other transaction, they're not going to give it to you. Here is all public. At the same time, it's anonymous, so nobody can find your information, but you can find the general information with different names. So that's why blockchain is so safe and is so good for the future. Now, with all of that said, now you know the basics of what a blockchain is and how it works for beginners. But here comes the question. Okay, how can I safely invest in this type of cryptocurrency world, right? And start increasing my portfolio. How can I get part on it? Well, for that, I have good news for you guys. If you give a like to this video and remember to subscribe to us, you will be able to come to the event that we have this Thursday, October 24th at 7 p.m. South Africa time. In this event, I am going to show you step by step how to make $100 a day with crypto, the safe and easy way. So I recommend you to come visit us in this event. We are going to send you the link so you can access, so you can learn now that you know what blockchain is, how to use it to start making your first profits, to grow your portfolio, and to start making at least $100 a day on the blockchain world with cryptocurrencies. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. Don't miss the upcoming stream, okay? Because we will make it in a public stream so you can come and you can, well, get all the answers that you want. That's why also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below and I will be answering them all in the stream. So I recommend you to see us there on the stream because I will be waiting for you. Thank you for coming and I will see you there. Bye!